the newest update in the Zemits family of aesthetic devices. Everybody knows this technology, everybody uses it. It will come in two boxes. You would need to adjust the intensity right here. It's super easy and so convenient. Hello everyone, guys, welcome back. Super excited, my favorite subject. Let me share some knowledge, some excitement with you and some love. In this video, we will be talking about the newest update in the Zemits family of aesthetic devices. This is the high frequency. I know that this technology is very old. Very old. Everybody knows this technology, everybody uses it. But what's new is that how it works and what contraindication we were able to eliminate from this treatment. And this is something I'm very proud of. So this is the cordless and touch-free high-frequency device. What I mean is the following. First of all, it will come in two boxes. First box will have the device. There is just one port right here to charge it. So you will charge it with the cord that will come in set, and then you will use it without anything. So you are not attached to the wall. You can be anywhere around your client. You can do the hair treatment, scalp treatment. You can do facials. You can do back treatment. You can do body treatment. Anything you want. Now the electrodes. In the main box with the device, you will have a set of electrodes with orange color, which is really great to boost collagen, boost lymphatic flow, boost blood circulation, and overall stimulate healthy blood flow to encourage hair growth, to encourage treatment for more mature skin types, for anti-wrinkle or depigmentation treatment, overall more healthy skin look. So a couple of electrodes. This is for the scalp. Then you'll have mushroom electrode, and they are short, you see, so they are much shorter than standard electrodes. And my very favorite pointy electrode that you will be able to specifically target some spots and imperfections on the skin. Now how it works, there is a dial at the very bottom, so you would need to adjust it, and then to start the treatment you would simply need to press the button and it is working. So about the contraindication that we were able to eliminate. Talking about the cordless, you got the idea. Talking about the touch-free is that I am no longer the conductor. I do not need to touch the electrode in order to safely start the treatment because of the button. And this is something truly magical. So what I need to do is the following. You would need to adjust the intensity right here, just a little bit, start lower, and then maybe adjust it during the treatment. Now you would need to place the electrodes on the skin and then press the button. And now you can hear the electricity is going. When you stop your treatment, when you are done with that, unhold the button, detach the wand. That's all. So there is no longer this motions touching on the skin. There is no this uncomfortable condition holding it. Hold it comfortably, use your thumb, place it in the place when you need to do the treatment. Press, do the treatment, unpress, detach. All set. So these are the orange gas, and then we have another set of electrodes that will be, make sure it's off. Other set will be with the purple gas, and this is beautiful, as you guys all know, to fight acne bacteria, to reduce inflammation, irritation, redness, and everything causing those imperfections of the skin. So you'll have this shape, perfect for shoulders, perfect for elbows, perfect for back, for arms. I find it very helpful as an add-on treatment to treat your clients with keratosis pilaris. If they have it at the back of the arms and the shoulders, fits comfortably, has this beautiful antiseptic and antibacterial effect, and again, same benefits, cordless and touch-free. Very cool to do it on your clients. Another two remaining electrodes is this one with the metal coin inside. So this helps to conduct even deeper. So you'll have, because of this spring, metal spring inside, you have a better conductivity of the gas. And another of my favorite is this guy. Again, I'll just show you really quick. Turn it on, press to activate, you can hear it, and on the treatment will look like this. So you will just place it on the treatment to be used, press the button, it is working right now, do the treatment, unpress, detach. All set, all clean. My love, truly, I truly adore it because it eliminates the contraindication. For example, if Esti is expecting mother, or esthetician has the pacemaker, or there are any metal pins, diabetes, any heart disease, or for example cancer or thyroid issues, when you don't want to conduct the current through your body, so you won't be able to touch it. In this case, there is no longer need for that. Just do the treatment clean. All the power is being focused on the client's body and you are no longer the conductor. Super fun, button. Love it with all of my heart. I hope you guys will love it too. Thank you. I want to show you really quick how easy it is to perform. So for this treatment, I'm using the gauze surface. Make sure that I have a little bit of the space between the electrodes and the skin, and it glides better. It glides very, very easy. So step 1, adjust the intensity at the bottom. Place the electrode where you're gonna be using it. Start the treatment by pressing on the button and holding it. As soon as I want to detach, I don't need to use my fingers, I was saying. You can just unpress the button, detach it, and use it in other area. Place it, press the button, hold it, do the treatment. It's super easy and so convenient. Unpress, adjust the intensity if you want to make it more intense. Place it, press again, do the treatment. Again, if you want to touch your client's skin, feel free to. If you don't want and you want to protect yourself from being the conductor in 101%, just use one hand, don't touch the client's skin, that's all. You can just use one hand, that's enough. And this beautiful smell, my goodness, love it. That's the smell of sterile surface and definitely less acne and less inflammation for your clients. Detach, place, press, do the treatment. Super easy. I'm very excited. I'm sure you're gonna guys love it. Please record as much videos and share your feedback, share your love, and let other estheticians know how cool it is and how easy it can be. Thank you.